Welcome. In front of me is a Crosscall Action X3, and today I'll show you how to enable the developer options. To get started, you want to open up Settings, so you can pull down the notification panel and tap on the gear. And from here, scroll all the way down to About Phone, and then again all the way down, and you will find Build Number. Now tap on the Build Number 7 times, you get a countdown, and then you will see the message you are now a developer. And if you go one field back, you will see that there's another option that has appeared that wasn't previously there, called Developer Options. And when you tap on it, you have additional options that you can mess around with and change. And be mindful, some of them actually, if you don't know what you're changing, you might want to restrain yourself from doing so. And if you want to do something alongside, I don't know, make the phone feel a little bit faster, probably something like the animation scales would be the best way. That's one of the options that I, for instance, change, even though I don't really need access to it. And it works probably the best, but what it does is just changes the speed of entire phone animation. So windows, how they open, interact, how quick they close, and by default it's all set to 1. Now you can make it longer or shorter by setting it to 0.5 or completely off, which will just completely disable the animation. So if I would set it all to off as an example, where was it? There it is, the last one, off. And now if I close anything or tap on anything, there is no more animations like zooming in and out. So just a nice little feature there. And yeah, that is basically how you would enable the developer options. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.